Something that isn't very dry, the roads right now, though. We
No.
are seeing some issues on some of them, and that's from some of the systems that we saw move into the area this afternoon.
Yeah, if you were out and about today, the wipers were turning on and whatnot. I did take a look at a lot of those areas highlighted in blue and purple, or blue and pink right now, and most of them look like they are definitely improving, but there may still be that occasional icy spot. So again, if you're heading out tonight for any reason, just be careful. And again, you may find that icy spot just right there on the front step or the driveway or a sidewalk, but the plows are out and about. And again, when I look through a lot of those cameras, the surfaces definitely looked good, and traffic was moving along in most areas where you could watch the traffic move through. But that being said, again, it's always good to practice a little caution, especially after even just a light snowfall or even a little bit of that freezing rain. Taking a look outside right now around the metro, temperatures hovering close to 30. And again, there's a lot of material that's been dropped on our roads today. So even at temperatures like this, it is still going to be rather effective. But like I said, always good to just be on the side of caution out there. And you can see for most of southwest Minnesota, even south central Minnesota, temperatures are running just a bit above the freezing mark. You're going to find teens and 20s to the north. Western Wisconsin also going to find the 20s out there. So again, you can't say that you can't eliminate all the icy spots when temperatures are looking like that. The winds have been a little brisk, especially to the southeast. We've had upwards of 10 to 20 mile per hour winds to the south and southeast. So again, wind chills a factor, some single digit wind chills to the north. But again, for most of southwest Minnesota, still holding on to some pretty nice conditions there. Looking ahead, we'll stay very mild through these overnight hours. Closer to sunrise, we may see our temperatures take a little bit of a dip into the 20s, but overall mild for overnight. You can see just about all the precipitation has moved out of our area. There will be a little bit of an opening in the clouds as this system moves through. There's another one on the way. This one's for Tuesday, or actually late tomorrow into Tuesday. That energy is coming our way right now, so we'll be watching how that one sets up. But in the meantime, again, should be pretty quiet through the overnight hours. A lot of cloud cover tomorrow morning. Starting off fairly quiet. Then you get into the early afternoon, some spotty freezing drizzle, spotty freezing rain, but also notice how the rain is also trying to mix in even at 6 o'clock. Temperatures will be mild enough tomorrow that we could see the numbers kind of bounce across the freezing mark. So again, you can't completely rule out the chance of some freezing drizzle, but also with rain mixed in there and those temperatures there, maybe a rather minimal feel for the roads in terms of any iciness out there. But again, that being said, just watch out for the sidewalks and some of those parking lots. You can see it's setting up kind of a narrow band of real light icing right through the middle of the state. So we'll watch that and see just how much of it's going to impact around the Twin Cities and some of the busier roads as you move into central Minnesota. In the meantime, though, again, more of those mild temperatures, a lot of upper 20s to mid 30s across our region tomorrow. And when you check out the 7-day forecast, it stays very mild until we get closer to Friday and Saturday, when there may be some light snow in our forecast there to close out the work week.